Hey Bullpups, Mr. Tajan here. And I thought today would be a good day to get outside and change the workout up a little bit, try something new. So I was thinking, what might they enjoy? What would be something a little different? Because I'm sure you guys are chomping at the bit to get outside with the weather that we've been having. So what you're gonna do today is some sprints. And I started thinking, this kind of reminds me of when I was in college. My coach used to give us a summer workout that we would have to do, we were supposed to do on our own, and that was to prepare us for when we got to college and our season started. So the idea was, hey, here's the workout, go home over the summer, knock this out, and you'll be fit and in shape, ready to go for the start of the season. Now, obviously, we're not going to do anything quite like what I did in college, but we're going to do something similar in terms of, okay, this is how you're going to set it up. So here's your workout. Okay, I'm going to spell it out for you. You should do the warm-up like always. Then you're gonna go somewhere with a nice flat straight stretch. And I used to live out by Northside School, and I lived on a gravel road, and I would go down past my mailbox at the end of the driveway where it was flat and it was straight, and I would just drag my heel across the road and make like a starting line. Okay, then I would count out 25 yards, 25 more to make 50, 50 more to make 100, and I'd drag my heel across the road. And I'd have these lines, okay, kind of marked on the gravel road so that I had the proper distances for when I would do my sprints, okay? And so that's what I would like you guys to do. I'm near where I live now. Some of you may recognize this. It's over by Farm and Stidwell Elementary. There's always trains parked here. I mean, you could go to the school and do it on grass, but I thought this kind of just made more sense. We have a straight stretch, basically, of gravel road. And I could do it heading to the north, or I could do it heading to the south here. But I just rode my bike down here and thought this would be kind of a good place to film this video. So, okay, now some of us obviously are more fit than others. Some of us are, athletes at a fairly high level. So this is for the average Joe right here. This is for the average Joe. Hopefully you guys can see this. Basically what you're gonna do is 4 sprints at a distance of 25 yards, okay? That's the first thing that you're gonna do, okay? So what you'll do is you'll have that mark on the ground, you'll sprint 25 yards, and then your rest is just a nice slow jog back to the starting point, okay? You're gonna do that 4 times. As soon as you get back, get set and do your next sprint, okay? So it's a nice slow jog back. That's when you recover, that's when you rest. But when you get back to that starting line, get set up and go sprint it hard again. Okay, then you're gonna do 3 50-yarders. So we're doubling the distance. Okay, and on your way back, when you rest, you're not jogging, you're just gonna speed walk back. So it's gonna take obviously a little longer to get back, but your rest, is a little bit more of a rest. You're not jogging, you get to walk, okay? But make sure it's a fast walk, okay? It's a speed walk back. You're gonna do 3 of those. Okay, and then finally, 100 yards, 2 of them, full on sprint for 100 yards. And on the back of that one, and you only have to do it, twice, because we're doing 2, is a speed walk back. So make sure that walk is, pretty fast pace. So that's for the average Joe kid, okay? Athletes, okay, I want you to double everything. You should be able to do 8, 6, and 4. Okay, but again, it's on you. Okay, it's on you. So Pretty straightforward. Make sure you've got some water. Make sure that the surface that you're sprinting on, there's not any potholes or anything like that you're gonna roll your ankle on or wipe out. And make sure you warm up good prior to the sprinting. I'm not gonna do this for you right now. I feel like that would be boring for you guys to watch me run sprints. But basically, if I were to set this up, right, I'm gonna drag my foot like so across the road. Okay, can everybody see my starting line? Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna walk 25 yards. Okay, do it again. Okay, 25 more for my 50 mark. Drag my foot across the road, do it again. And then I've got my training facility all set up and we're good to go. All right, so that's it. That's your workout for today. I believe it is workout number, let's see here, 11 was the last one, 12, maybe 14. Okay, workout number 14. So hopefully you guys are doing these, you're enjoying them. Make sure that in Schoology, okay, the assignment, right, is the workout. Okay, in order to earn the points, you've got to click on the assessment and answer the questions associated with the workout. Okay, that's how you earn your points for PE class. Hope you guys are getting outside, enjoying a little bit of free time and being out of school, yet still getting your work done, staying healthy, hanging in there. You know, what a crazy time. Okay, but make the most of it. All right, it is kind of a cloudy, gray day today, but I think there is sunshine on the way. You guys take care, and we'll see you next time.